Hi there, welcome to a special edition of the Mortgage Minute for December 9th. And today I want to touch on something that's really a passionate issue for me. And, I read the Globe and Mail all the time, and every weekend they have a segment called the Financial Facelift, where they may analyze an individual or a couple's financial situation and have an expert give advice. This past weekend they had a couple who are approaching their 60s, and they're asking, the wife is asking, what if my husband's having some health issues and I want to go from working 5 days a week, maybe cutting it back to 4 days a week? What's a good use of our investable capital? And she happened to have, in her case, just shy of $300,000 to invest. Now, as always, the person that's giving the advice is going to be a financial planner or the financial plan, wealth management side of things. What was interesting, though, is that this couple had a very good income-producing rental property. And the question was, should they invest in more real estate? And the answer came back that the advisor said investing in more real estate would give them too much exposure to that asset class, even though it is producing quite good right now. A more prudent approach would be to invest in a basket of dividend-paying stocks and bonds. Now, I'm not questioning or judging that particular financial advisor or that investment advisor, but what I am suggesting is this is epidemic across Canada, where how many Canadians are walking into their financial planner's office and saying, I've got some money to invest. What do you think of real estate? Now, here's my question. How qualified is the average financial advisor across this country? How qualified are they in giving advice on whether real estate is a good investment or not? In fact, the truth is, at the risk of being cynical, we all know that financial planners don't earn a commission. They won't make any money if they recommend you go buy investment properties. But I know, and a lot of you know, that some of the greatest wealth in this country that's ever been produced is through real estate. Some of the best cash flow we can get is through real estate. Not to mention the ability to have somebody else pay off the mortgage on that rental property. The question shouldn't be, oh, she's got too much invested in real estate. The question should be, where are you buying your real estate? What kind of real estate are you buying? Now, the point is simply this. This article simply triggered something that's a big concern or question of mine, period. And that is, are Canadians getting the right advice when it comes to wealth management? When it comes to wealth management, when it comes to your financial planning, is real estate playing a big enough role? Now, if you're one of my many clients who are real estate investors, then the answer is probably yes. But for the average Canadian out there, my concern is far too many people are taking what little savings they have, walking into financial advisors' offices across the country and being told, real estate's a little risky here, put in these stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. And my suggestion is real estate at this point is not playing a big enough role in wealth management and the financial planning for the financial future of Canadians. That's my take for today. On that note, I've written two articles, two out of a three-part series. This is called The Equity Solution, and it talks about, there's the Equity Solution, talking about the role that real estate could or should play in your financial future. And then I followed it up with a couple of examples. We're going to talk about student housing and pricing, or investing in student housing at a future date. Ladies and gentlemen, that's this week's Mortgage Minute. We'll talk to you soon. Go to my website at peterkinch.com, send me an email, and I'll send you copies of these articles. Thanks.